Good afternoon. This video is for those of you that do not have a district or school tablet at home. You can do this on your cell phone, I believe, or your regular computer. So you're just going to type in your browser, preferably Google. Please download Google Chrome. Internet Explorer is not the best web browser for accessing Teams and Office 365. You're just going to type in Office 365 on your browser and click enter. Then it should be the first one. So it's going to say Office 365 login, Microsoft Office. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to click sign in. So your student will click the sign in button and they're going to sign in using their student email address and their student password. And then stay signed in. And once they're all logged in, you will see this right here. So all they need to do is Outlook is their email. So you can click on Outlook here and that will take them to their email. Once you're in your email, you can check up all your emails from all your teachers and see what they have said. If not, you go back to the waffle cone right here on the top left corner. It's like a little waffle category. And then you go to the word Teams and it will take your student to the Teams in order for you guys to kind of utilize and use the Teams platform and complete all your assignments. So once that loads, the student can then access all their assignments. So when they do this, right, you go to your period, and then at the top right up here, students will click on assignments, and students can see all the assignments. And the first assignment that's due is this online assignment. Another thing I recommend the students doing is checking in on posts. I will also be posting important information on Teams for all students. Yeah, that is all. Thank you. There is also, I believe, an app that you can download as well for your cell phone device if you're not able to use that. If students really do not have access or are unable to download the application, just contact me and we'll figure something out.